I've got a handrail bracket to modify here. They wanted it to be extended out a bit, so I've cut it and I'm putting an extra bit of tube in them between the two pieces. And it was zinc plated, like these things often are, so okay, you get rid of the zinc where you're going to weld it, you think that'll do. But I've never ever seen this, not that I've done this sort of thing before, but look what it's done to the zinc around the edge. Proper wrinkled up. And, wow, look at that. How bizarre. Because that's what you normally expect to see. The white zinc oxide. The zinc normally it just gets, it just gets so hot that it just oxidises straight off. And this is the nasty stuff which you don't want to be breathing in. But yeah, I thought I was doing okay, just cleaning it off where I was going to weld it. But mind you, this was okay. That was fine, that welded fine. This is nice and clean around here. But this other stuff, wow. Hold on, I'll go at the top in now. And a similar sort of thing's happened there as well. Not so much as at the bottom, not nearly as wrinkly, but yeah, just kind of blistered. Still, these things have got to get painted over anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But one of the joys of trying to weld stuff that's been zinc plated, best if it's not got anything on it really,